Imagine you are a sales analyst digging into historical data and trying to optimize your business. You have access to all the raw data and you are trying to figure out how to quickly and efficiently aggregate and analyze by different criteria. A pivot table is a perfect option for this use case. However, with big data, there has not been a simple way to perform this easy function. It is quite easy in Excel, so you can always export the data and run the pivot that way. That poses several challenges, needing to utilize a separate system and potentially losing future visibility. And with any large amount of data, there is no way Excel can handle that volume. You can perform the pivot table in Snowflake. However, this is not an easy query and it becomes more and more complicated the more dimensions you add to the table. Enter Datameer, a no-code solution that connects directly to Snowflake. Datameer combines the easy-to-use pivot table function with the performance and scalability of Snowflake. Here's a quick demo of the function. So when you enter your Datameer account, create a new project. We'll just call it pivot table. You can connect to your sales data. So I will go ahead and add that data here. Just need to refresh really quick. All right, now that you have your data, you can perform the pivot table function by clicking the plus button, choosing pivot. And now you can design your output. So you can you can choose your rows. So maybe you want to look by year, aggregate by year. And maybe you want to see the top sales by color. Datameter allows you to select which colors you want to see. For this, I will select all. And for measure, we'll want to do the sum of sales. So you can choose sum, you can choose average. I'm just going to look at sum by year, by color. So now I could see easily, 2017 was a pretty high year. Silver, the last 2 years has really, really ballooned. So maybe we should focus on that. And now I'll go ahead and click apply. So now you have your pivot table. You can now publish this into Snowflake, so we'll want to publish it. And you can either publish it as a view or a table. For our case, we're going to want to publish it as a view because this will actually create it as a query. So next time this data is updated, you can basically run the pivot table again and get updated data. So we'll go ahead and publish this view. Just takes a couple seconds. And now if you go back into Snowflake and into your database, you can actually see exactly what was published. And now you can see the entire query that was published. So with just those few clicks, this whole SQL was written rather than trying to scan through Stack Overflow and try to figure out exactly how to write it. All you had to do was run that Datameer function and publish it. And now you can, focus on other value-added activities rather than trying to generate this pivot table.